Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press the crown button again to open the menu. After the menu opens, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Oh, actually, let me close this and reopen the settings, like this. Once you're in settings, look for the option called Display and Brightness. And after you find it, tap on it. And here, look for the option called Sleep. Once you find it, select it. And here we have a list of durations we can select from. We have Auto, which is by default selected. Then we have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 5 minutes. So select the one you like. For example, I'm gonna select 15 seconds and then tap on OK. As you can see, it's selected 15 seconds. And then we can press the crown button to go back to watch face. So now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the screen or the buttons for 15 seconds, it will turn off the screen to save the power. And it should be quite soon, I believe. Right about now. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.